Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Rainbow Six Siege connection errors, and I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this error. So make sure you watch this entire video. So the first solution, you can go to the Windows search and type the CMD, right click on it and run as administrator. Now click on the yes option. Now here you need to just type the command, which is the ipconfig space forward slash and then flush DNS. Once you type it, just hit the enter and it will give you the message like this: flush the DNS resolver cache. Then you can type the command, which is the netsh winsock space reset. When you type it, just hit the enter and now it will give you the message like this, like restart your PC. So we will restart our PC after our complete setting is done. So you can go to the Windows search again, type the ncpa.cpl and just open it. And now here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. Right click on your connection and go to its properties. And now here look for the Internet Protocol version 4. Just click on it, highlight this and click on its properties. And now here just check this box of choose the following DNS addresses, and then you can type in the preferred DNS server the 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS server 8844. So this is the best DNS server provided by the Google. Click on the OK to save the changes, then just close it. After that, just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And if the problem still persists, then go to the library and then go to the game and then click on the gear icon, click on the properties, go to the install files, and then simply click on the verify integrity of the game files. And then it will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files in your game, and this built-in function will fix your problem also. And guys, if these fix your issue, so make sure you like this video and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.